We heard the very bad news, brutal attack by the terrorist in Kashmir. In this case, from Shumaga also, Mr. Manjunath, he shot dead in that attack. His wife Pallavi, I spoken with Pallavi also. She told what is the incident going on in that place. Both are gone to the departmental shop that is nearby that tourist spot to bring the bread for that his child. In that time, the terrorist attack on her husband. She told like that. So, in news, some other news also coming in news channel that is more than 22 some persons are injured like this news. I don't know, but from my conscience, but Shumaga conscience, totally 3 members, Manjunath, Pallavi and his son. So they are going through the travel agent from that nearly from the reached that place by nearby bus. So nearly 30 members in that bus. From that place to that mini Switzerland, telling that regarding that place, we have to go by not only by road, where they have to go by horse only. So in that time, this bad incident attack on that Mr. Manjunath. So we have information. I will touch with the respective union minister Prahalad Joshi ji, and just I spoke with the Chief Secretary of Karnataka, Shani Rajneesh. They told they are also in touch with the union government, try to bring back that body and their family as early as possible to the Shumaga and Karnataka.